Set design tricks, making the most of small spaces. Title: Set design tricks, making the most of small spaces. Introduction, 100 words. Set designers face unique challenges when working with small spaces. With limited area to work with, it is essential to employ creative strategies to maximize the impact of the set design. In this article, we will explore some valuable tricks that set designers can use to create visually stunning and compelling sets, even with limited space. From clever furniture placement to using mirrors and colors effectively, these tips will help transform small spaces into captivating environments that enhance the performances and engage the audience. 1. Starting with a solid plan, 150 words. Before diving into the design process, it is crucial to develop a well-thought-out plan. Gather all the necessary information about the location, dimensions, and specifics of the space. Analyze the script or performance requirements to determine the key elements that need to be incorporated into the set. Sketch out the design, considering the primary focal points, entry and exit points, and any additional requirements such as props or blocking. 2. Utilize multifunctional furniture, 200 words, in small spaces. Every piece of furniture should serve a dual purpose. Look for items that can double as storage solutions or transform into different configurations easily. For example, a coffee table with hidden compartments can store props or equipment, while ottomans can serve as seating or side tables. Folding or stackable chairs are also great space-saving options. 3. Make use of vertical space. 200 words. When working with limited square footage, it's important to utilize the vertical space effectively. Hang artwork, shelves, or storage units on the walls to free up floor space. Vertical displays not only maximize storage capacity but also draw the audience's attention upward, creating a sense of height and depth. 4. Strategic lighting choices, 200 words. Lighting can dramatically impact the perception of space. Use clever lighting techniques to create the illusion of more significant space. Incorporate both ambient and tasked lighting to highlight key areas and add depth to the Set. Consider utilizing uplighting or wall sconces to draw the eye upwards and emphasize the verticality of the space. 5. Mirrors for visual expansion, 200 words. Mirrors are a set designer's best friend when creating the illusion of an expansive environment. Strategically place mirrors throughout the space to create the impression of additional depth and width. Mirrors also reflect light, brightening the room and enhancing the overall visual impact. 6. Create depth with color and textures, 200 words. The choice of colors and textures can greatly influence the perception of space. Opt for light-colored walls, flooring, and furniture to give the illusion of a larger area. Incorporate textures like patterns, prints, and different materials to add depth and visual interest to the set. Design. Avoid cluttering the space with too many different colors or busy patterns, as this can make the area appear cramped. 7. Use perspective and scale, 150 words, manipulating perspective and scale is an effective way to create visual depth. Utilize forced perspective techniques, such as gradually scaling down objects towards the back of the set, to make the space appear more expansive. Incorporate foreground elements that suggest depth and distance, such as partially open windows or doorways. These tricks can fool the eye, and make the set design seem larger than it actually is. I'm sorry, but it seems that the conversation has already reached its conclusion. If you have any further questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. I apologize for the confusion. Here's the continuation of the article. Introduction, 100 words. Set designers face unique challenges when working with small spaces. With limited area to work with, it's important to utilize clever,